In a land where the skies merged with the earth, nestled between mighty rivers and sacred mountains, lived a tribe revered for their unparalleled combat skills and mystical prowess. These were the Kagura, believed to be the direct descendants of the gods of war. Legends say that during the cosmic battles that shaped the world, the gods bestowed special powers upon a chosen few to maintain balance and protect the land from malevolent forces. These chosen ones were the Kagura, tall and regal. The Kagura had eyes that flickered like flames and hair that flowed like molten metal. They harnessed the wrath of thunderstorms and the might of quakes within them. Each Kagura warrior was blessed with a unique gift. Some could summon celestial weapons, while others commanded the elements or even bent time to their will. Among them was Aysa, a fierce Kagura warrior whose heart burned with fiery determination. Aysa could control the wind, bending it to her will to create both gentle breezes and formidable cyclones. She was not only a protector of her tribe, but also a symbol of hope and resilience. The Kagura had an eternal enemy, the Mirra, shadowy beings born out of chaos and darkness. The Mirra sought to plunge the world into eternal night, feeding off despair and destruction. For centuries, the Kagura and the Mirra were locked in an unending battle, a dance of light and shadows. As time passed, a prophecy began to circulate within the tribe. It spoke of a battle supreme, where a Kagura would rise to unite the powers of all their ancestors and vanquish the Mirra once and for all. With the weight of this prophecy on her shoulders, Aysa embarked on a journey to awaken the ancient forces and unite her tribe for the ultimate showdown. Her path was fraught with treacherous terrains, magical creatures, and hidden traps set by the Mirra. Along the way, Aysa encountered other Kagura warriors, each contributing their unique powers and wisdom to her cause. Among them was Raiv, who could command lightning, and Sari, who could transform into an unyielding stone. Together, this trio faced formidable challenges, from battling Mirra generals to unlocking the secrets of ancient scrolls that held the key to their victory. The final battle was fought on the peak of the sacred mountain, where the heavens met the earth. The sky roared and the earth trembled as Aysa and her companions unleashed the collective fury of the Kagura against the Mirra. The air crackled with raw energy as Aysa summoned a colossal cyclone that swept the darkness away. Raiv's lightning rained down like the wrath of the gods, and Sari's impenetrable form shielded them from the Mirra's ferocious attacks. This cataclysmic clash ended with the Mirra's defeat, as the Kagura's light pierced through the abyss, restoring peace and balance to the world. Aysa, Raiv, and Sari, along with the rest of the Kagura tribe, solidified their place in legend, their tale passed down through generations as a beacon of hope, valor, and unity. And so, the myth of the Kagura endures, a reminder that even in the face of overwhelming darkness, the light of courage and camaraderie can prevail.